Hello, everyone. Welcome back to Tech Things with Samuel, your home for tech, business, and digital growth. If this is your first time here, my name is Samuel, and on this channel, we talk about how technology can help you grow your income, your skill, and your business. Now, let me ask you a very honest question. Why is it that some people can post their breakfast, their outfits, their jokes, their memes, their relationship drama, etc., but when it comes to posting what they sell or what they are good at, they suddenly feel shy? Why do some business owner feel embarrassed to promote their own business? So by the end of this video, you understand why you should never feel ashamed to promote your business, why posting random things won't grow your income, how digital tool can change your life, and how to start confidently telling people what you do. So sit back, relax, and let's talk real business. Let's be honest, a lot of people are suffering silently, not because they are lazy, not because they don't have skills, but because they are too shy to market themselves. You hear things like, I don't want people to think I'm too money minded. I don't want my friends to say I'm disturbing them. I don't want people to laugh at my business. I'll start posting when my business become big. Let me tell you something very important. Your business will never become big if nobody knows it exists. Marketing is simply letting people know how you can help them. If you are a tailor and you don't post your design, how will people know you sew clothes? If you are a caterer and you don't post your food, how will people know you cook? If you are a tech person, a designer, a makeup artist, a barber, a photographer, a real estate agent, a tutor, a freelancer, and you don't post your work, then my question is, how do you expect customers to find you? Now let's talk about something painful. Some people post every day, but nothing they post is related to what they sell. They post funny videos, they post meme, they post football arguments, celebrity gossip, relationship drama, political fights. But when it's time to post their business, they go on silent. Listen to me carefully. Social media page is not just for pros. Yes, you hear me right. It is a digital shop. Your WhatsApp status is a billboard. Your Facebook page is a storefront. Your Instagram is a catalog. Your TikTok is a TV advert. So if all people see on your page is jokes and gossip, they will never take your business seriously. This doesn't mean you can't be fun, don't get me wrong. But it means your business content must be visible online. A simple rule: for every 3 fun posts you are going to be making every day, make sure you post at least 3 business posts. If you're going to post meme, like 3 or 2, make sure your business posts come after it or before it. Let people constantly see what you sell, what you do, how you can be of help to people, your results, your past portfolio, things that you have done before, your customer feedback. What's your customer? What are they talking about? What are they saying about your past projects? So another thing I want to share with us today. So let's talk about digital tools. In the olden days, you needed a physical shop, a lot of money, a radio, TV advert, and a big connection to start business. But today, with just a smartphone and internet, you can sell to a lot of people in another state. You can sell to a lot of people outside the country. You can sell to another continent. Just like I've shared before, I have most of my customers, my clients, they are outside the country. Those of people I've not even seen some of my clients before. With the help of my phone and a good internet, I can easily communicate with them, and I get the work delivered to them. So platforms like WhatsApp, Facebook, Instagram, TikTok, YouTube, they are not just there for you to post meme. They are free marketing tools. They are free marketing machine you can use to promote yourself. So imagine opening a shop that never closes, a shop that shows your products to thousands of people. That is what digital tools do. You already have the tools, you already have the phone, you already have data, you already have social media accounts. The only thing that is missing is this: your courage to start posting what you sell. That is a problem. This part is very important. Some people don't post their business because they are afraid of it. What if nobody likes my post? What if people laugh at me? Let me shock you. Nobody is thinking about you. Just have that at the back of your mind. Everybody is busy with their life. They are busy with their own problem. They are busy with their own bills, their own life, even with their own hustle. Most people will just scroll past your posts. Some will like it, some will ignore it, some will remember it later. I've been in that show before. I posted for more than 4 weeks, 1 month, 2 months, and nobody will say, okay, what are you selling? What are you doing? But trust me, they are seeing what you are posting. People are seeing what you are posting. It's just that it is not the right time to contact you. But trust me, one day someone will need exactly what you said. And because you have been posting consistently, they will remember, oh, this person sells these things. Oh, this person does this work. And boom, you get a customer. That is how online marketing works. Let me give you a simple step. Step 1, decide what you want to be known for. Are you a caterer? Are you a fashion designer? A tech expert? A content creator? A real estate agent? A tutor? A makeup artist? A freelancer? Pick one main thing and focus on it. Step 2, create simple content. You don't need perfection to start. You don't need to be good when it comes to getting started. You don't need to be 100% perfect to start creating content. You can post picture of your work, short videos before and after, customer review, tips in your industry, behind the scene. All those things you need to create it and post it online. Step 3, talk like human, not like a robot. Instead of patronizing us for quality service, say, hi, I am Samuel. I help small businesses grow their businesses digitally. If you want more customers online, send me a DM. Step 4, post consistently, not once in 1 month, not once in 3 months, at least 3 to 5 times a week. Step 5, add a call to action. Always tell people what to do next. Example, send me a DM, call this number, click this link in my bio, save this post, and so on and so forth. So I'm going to be ending with this. There is nothing shameful about honest work. You heard me right. There is nothing shameful about what you do. There is nothing embarrassing about selling values. There is nothing wrong with telling people what you do. What is shameful is this. Listen, being broke and doing nothing, having a skill and hiding it, complaining about money but refusing to market yourself. These are the things that is shameful. Your phone is not just for chatting. I've been saying this thing for several times. If you are using your phone and you are not making money from it, that phone is not meant for you. It is not just for watching movie. Yes, it's not just for streaming online. It is a money-making machine. Your phone is a money-making tool. Make use of it today. Start posting what you sell. Start telling people what you do. Start showing your skill online. Start using your digital tools wisely, smartly. As I speak to you now, your future customers are online watching you. They are waiting for you to show up. If you find this video helpful, please like, share, comment, and don't forget to subscribe to Tech Sense with Samuel. Drop a comment and tell me, what business do you do and what's stopping you from posting it online. Let us grow together. See you in the next video. Peace.